welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cheryl, and this week I am back with a new makeup tutorial. I know I haven't been doing makeup for a short while, so I'm really excited that I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. And today's makeup, it's about the Instagram filter. You know, like we're all like obsessed with the Instagram filter because it is good that sometimes when you don't put on makeup, you want to film something instantly. You have that filter ready to make you look better, but do not compare yourself with filter and without filter. It's just for fun. It's not how you should look with the filter. You know, we are pretty in our own way, so you should not have like, oh, I need to look like this with filter. I can't accept for who I am without filter. It is so wrong to think about that. This is just a video that is fun to recreate one of my favorite Instagram filter. It's called Top vs Angel. The look instantly give you a very snatchy nose and your lips instantly become so much poetry and bigger. I hope you guys gonna enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. If you have been following me on my Instagram, I recently posted on my Instagram story saying that I will change my upload schedule on my YouTube channel. It will be every Wednesday instead of every Sunday. So keep a lookout on a new video on my channel every Wednesday 10 p.m. Singapore time. And if you haven't followed my Instagram, go follow my Instagram right now. I would be so happy to hear from you girls and see you girls recreate my makeup look or hairstyle and tag me on social media. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna moisturize my lip with Fenty Beauty Sun Lip Balm. They are my absolute favorite lip balm at the moment because it instantly plumps your lip. Next is my recent favorite Ultra Hydrating Cream from Tatcha. The consistency of the cream is relatively creamy, so it's really good for dry skin. I love how it makes me look so refreshed immediately. To lock in all the hydration, I'm using this rosehip oil from this clean beauty brand called Pie. It absorbs nice and easily into my skin, and my skin is glowing afterwards. Now that my skin is prepped, I'm gonna move into my CC cream from IT Cosmetics. It has a full coverage, so it covers almost all my blemishes well, and its creamy finish gives a perfect healthy glow look to my skin. For the concealer, I'll be using this Nars Creamy Concealer to cover some of my blemishes that are not fully covered by the foundation. And changing to a lighter tone concealer from Decay to brighten my under eye all the way to my temple area to lift up my eyes, as well as my lip corners to lift up my face. Using a beauty blender to softly blend it into my skin using an upward motion. For the nose area, blend the concealer carefully to highlight the middle part of the nose bridge and the tip of the nose. Next, I'm going to be using this face powder from Macpro to bake my nose and face. Starting from the side of the nose, I'm going to go in and place where I would place the powder and do it slowly to ensure it doesn't go beyond that, so that you have the perfect line. And slowly moving to under eyes because we want to lift up our eyes. I'm also putting it around my lip corner and sweep it upwards. While waiting for the baking to bake, I am moving to my Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. Using an angle brush and apply on the hollow cheeks with an upward motion to contour my face. Then I start to contour around my under chin to create a more V shape of my jawlines. Switching to a big fluffy brush to start blending in my contour and keep swiping it upwards. Going in with a smaller flat brush so that I could contour my nose in a more defined way, since we're trying to recreate that super snatchy nose from the Instagram filter. Start to work the brush and slowly bring it down to the nose and link it all the way up to the top of the eyebrows and the eyes to make it look symmetrical. When you get to the little ball of your nose, I like to stop halfway and then kind of create a little V area and then fill that out. And create a little line in between the nose bridge because this will bring up the tip of your nose. Going into a clean brush to swipe off my baking powder. And use a smaller fluffy brush to blend in my nose contour. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker to start adding more depth into my nose as well as my face. For my eyebrows, I am using my Anastasia brow pomade with a small angle brush to start filling up my eyebrows, drawing strokes, and slowly define the eyebrow shape. Using the concealer with a small angle brush to perfect the eyebrow shape to my preference. Do the same for the other eyebrows too. Then I'm going back with my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker to start adding depth into my eyes and moving to the end corner of my eyes and start swiping it up to create a fox eye look. Using a darker shade from Macpro palette to accentuate the fox eye even further and continue to keep swiping up. This should not be like a solid line at all. It should definitely feel like a more subtle and natural foxy eye vibe. Going slightly below my lower lash line here and connect it to the end corner of my eyes to create a bigger eye effect. Moving to my Marc brown eye crayon, I am tightlining the upper lash line but only from the middle of my eyes to the end of the eye corner, as well as my inner corner where I draw it out a little to accentuate the fox eye. Then I'm adding some gel crayon around end of the corner of my eyes and using my fingers to do a very subtle wing liner. Time to curl the lashes and put on some mascara. Remember to always swipe it to the side of the end corner of the eye to give off that foxy eye look. Going into my Zoeva palette and I'm gonna be mixing these two colors. Place the brush on the higher upper cheek and keep swiping in an upward motion. By doing so, it can help to achieve that lifting effect on the face. I am also putting some blushes across my nose bridge as well because in that filter, it has some blushes across the nose. To really pop the nose tip, I am using the Benefit highlighter to highlight on the nose tip and the top of the nose bridge. And some highlights on the higher cheekbones as well as my cupid bow. Finally, moving to the lip. First thing I'm going to do is really overdraw my cupid's bow. I am going way above my lip up here. Then I'm gonna start to drag that down into my actual lip line. The worst thing you can do is completely ignore your actual lip shade because it's gonna look weird when you talk. So make sure you are always connecting the lip liner to some point of your actual lip line. Then I'm gonna use the same Pro Kisses lip balm to fill up the middle of my lip. Here is my final look of me recreating this top vs angel filter. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and please don't forget that you are beautiful just the way you are. This is just a fun video and I just wanted to show you guys that you can mimic the filter in real life. Make sure you guys are commenting down below and liking this video if it was helpful. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. I will see you in my next video.